Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for recommended maintenance guidelines and service intervals specific to your car. Regular maintenance involves inspecting your vehicle frequently and keeping up with routine servicing to ensure it remains in optimal condition. Proper upkeep helps prevent potential safety hazards and costly repairs that could leave you without reliable transportation. Additionally, maintaining your vehicle enhances its overall efficiency. An essential part of vehicle safety is ensuring it undergoes regular inspections, a requirement for all vehicle owners in Louisiana. Louisiana law mandates that all motor vehicles, including cars, trucks, trailers, boat trailers, and motorcycles, operating on state highways must have a valid motor vehicle inspection sticker. The inspection sticker is affixed to the lower left-hand corner of the windshield on the driver's side and displays the month and year of expiration. The sticker remains valid until the last day of the indicated month. Authorized motor vehicle inspection stations, identifiable by an orange sign reading Louisiana Motor Vehicle Inspection Station, conduct these inspections. The location where you must have your vehicle inspected depends on its registration. The cities of New Orleans, Kenner, and Westwego have their own inspection programs, and residents of these cities must obtain their inspection stickers locally. Similarly, vehicles registered in Ascension, East Baton Rouge, Iberville, Livingston, and West Baton Rouge parishes must be inspected within those same parishes. Inspection fees vary by location. The cost of an inspection in the designated 5 parishes is $18, no tax, while in all other parishes, the fee is $10 for a 1-year sticker or $20 for a 2-year sticker, both tax-free. At the time of inspection, the vehicle owner must provide 1. A valid driver's license. 2. Current vehicle registration. 3. Proof of valid insurance. All required vehicle components must function properly and not pose a safety hazard. A full list of inspection criteria is available on the Louisiana State Police website. If a vehicle fails inspection, a rejection sticker will be issued, and necessary repairs must be completed before reinspection. The vehicle must pass all inspection criteria before receiving a valid sticker. Driving with an expired or rejected inspection sticker may result in a citation from law enforcement. A crucial aspect of road safety is ensuring that your vehicle is properly maintained. While an annual inspection is required, drivers must remain attentive to their vehicle's condition throughout the year. Performing a visual inspection before driving and conducting regular maintenance checks can help identify potential issues before they worsen or require immediate attention.